I was young when we say any idiot can go to court. A see Dunketia Ebekaye. Meno can say, I shall see any air coso, and Komobi Akoso. Now, and some more can say, I see Dunketia and some more Becca say, any idiot can go to court. No, Mame, Akosia, Serwaa, and Nensamono. A woman one car man, Nenso, someone the honum, Serwaa, where they assembly of a court to a sebi, or some other court, no, and family Quemuno. Not as I refer to a yes, ye Dunketia, as some rich as we say any pano, Busia, any way Kwasia, and I say, we Jimmy for. Now, the entire Mokazano, at say, Papa Shee, Abba Bontim. Ababeka Mame Akosua Serwaa ni certificate marriage certificate wa beka won some say fake ebusia omobo audios ewo ho na ensem kure ya nsonso no omasai akotu Mame Akosua Serwaa ni lawyer lawyer Kusi ensonso se wono so bie na no ebeka nsem say Mame Akosua Serwaa marriage certificate no fake. Enti saa nkrofo mienu wi a wo mudi wachi omoko ede ma omobo abamba no so mabi o no aka say o marriage certificate no fake na say obi ensonso akotu o monsem no moka ye no na o magina so de aka asem a wo say no de wonte ase enti wasiw opanyini Kofi Wusu na afen nsonso no Sir Alex ene abusia wo hwe gya wo moto wo ho a omo se expose bi ane nchire bi wo ho no dia ene nipa wa expose Mame Akosua Serwaa lawyer Kusi na afi Papa Shee abusia yankwaje nsem nchire ma hagusi eke Black Media
what me kwa pe kwa ka wase buwie o de wali be abusia pe yi so abusia pe da do be be reso abusia pe yi be snow see you baby jira na be fa asebu be abusia pe yi se be sero me ni be elu la so lo ko
now rapport down am I or rapport up am I
be abusia pe yi be sero see soft hearted soft hearted dey we jakuma soft ababa be se e bia ba be dey pe yi na wo fa asere wale le tweblas tweb aba wale rasa tito ta afiaba punishment bia Mame Akosua Serwaa oba de ko le ba de wo fa se brepo ba kwa oba de ko ba se bo se eje sample be su twa so ba be de punishment bia de su twa because by this time we start so go su ko foi de ya de papa bua so we see you ete abusia pe yes now to say a boot for boot for Mame Akosua Serwaa fishia ya da se
me da se my mali
you abusia fo me da mo ase na ka me wo yi question back. If I see bisa Mame say or the certificate ni ba and no baba mano aye the only legal wife na so your only legal wife adwuma ben no ye wo ho because yati be pray ben men ya money din wo be bia in the man's dying moments no because say the past 20 years 2006 to 2026 yenti Mame ni abako yenti twi enti so pass wo certificate na dia kwose wo pass wo bio wo dia kwose wo pass be me wo ni kasa wo ni hwi yes ni kola zika kra na osu na edisi wo si 2018 wo ba Ghana be sin ko o Mame ye wo ntumi am twam anse isre gompo an ko gas o ko jo won se na mbom ye Mame sie dan different place man ko dem Mame ensem no adoso ya som en na me ko ka oba say e be yan kasem no o fa ko Germany because e ho no ware o say hey e ko Germany nye because we man be uto ha na say o say e ho na wo yi o marry certificate no bitime hwehwehwe ni mamu ye bia nka na ye jima hwehwe mu ye a enti fa ko if you mo pe na de aba e no so be pon de ko ka asem house macho sa macho na ba so sisi awo TikTok you so na say e de enchiro no Mame baby e duru nya macho bi asem o fa wo certificate ni ba judge ne kra say wo di original no po me mfa nkofa wan o fa brain so o fa nani kosua we nani ne ho ne santami enfi nani share glasses enhwe eno kro bepon ne no bi kokasa wo si hey macho na me do original from where I could not be say na yes for original me anka so na ko se bibia wo so ne fa bra kosa signature kosa
Mali ti adie mami ti mami
and or say the most scandalous of his statement is saying onimdia koso yakoye
onu nimdia koso omakotena bebi no makofa pipa bi abase akoye pipa bi omakoye o pipa bi de abase certificate lawyer Kusi na yeka yo o se judge no ka kire nsa no ka kire no so nimdia koso
so sembu han o se de ben Akosua Serwaa your own sister would you want someone
to moderator my ne ho adwuma na
mo block no ma tia ba fo na me kan would you want someone to
ne do mo nye ya ma me block this time prade o ye ya na ma block o
o wale no nya aware no adwuma mana ka say wale no wale ya na ko certificate na ko to baby
male ni tete mo na ebi pentama
me pa cho me kasa 1 minute bi na wakasa me kasa 1 minute
no but wa mi sisi a
mani wie na do
bring the certificate no ko fa insle gonda na ma ho maka cho so the certificate ba ye wo questions e be be sant ma me ajobre wo da fa bre ye why fa bre ni enhwe ne ye peso bo ko fa new one bia ba yes dada no fa ko fa the rights of asa ya nka so ko e foforo you so for original now utu photocopy ni ba ye no fa no gani bibia pepe fa bra asa ne no e ma enkofa isle gondan no e ma ho no mani wo mu a te se mbo enye mu antina wi ese bebe wi ne ma wi ye e fie no kwa woni mu ho be ye kuna oso wonye ko yese oso wonye oso no japade yate uno japade yate that doesn't mean say enema na die woni nyina wo de ade mpato ana ne ono no the other time no so half enye fufu na nkwa betam de akọ and they bring it as a certificate no is not going to say when I hear the penny you know you could to almost from a capital no why mommy capital no will be soon to us.
All right, me that's
it was from me that you
mami ka 1 minute no ato aso akọ why me ba
okay
on say the me ya ne say ya ebi say odobro ne Roman father ene acheche amanfo ntino se oka Akosua Serwaa asem na wanka ne yese wachiwo Akosua Serwaa obia ne di Akosua Serwaa atem obia amfa ntro ento Akosua Serwaa so se enye woni obi na wo ne ma enti se ukode ntro bi koto odobro no so se odobro ni Roman father ne na se ne se ya enti woka ese wachiwo na wo betire enti no se obi koka se friends marriage certificate ni enye papa eno ne enye se wokwati pakro efi se lawyer e judge no kra no aka e de na che se obi akoka o se wokosi obi enti edu ba bia na metena se ya me ya se me hu de enti ama me ne tena se ama amanfo ase ne din ene nanim onyam kakra wo no enti so
onyam no ni bi na najo oni onyam ni bi ye de ni nyina twiri form
sanete de a onhwe na saa ne ma na ekoso no nyina no one ne nkrofo ne nkasa na omuntwa saa ne ma na ekoso no so na eyesa na o se ne din ene onyam kakra wonyam
o da so kan onyam ibiem ene onyam ye form na
wo saa na meka no se ne ye de ebia obi enum se ma me no enum onyam wo de saa na meka no what
all right mate very nice
so me the kakra me kan say sa you can say called yo Kusi hwe oni hwe obaye
I say hotel nguma won kwateketwa
I say hotel kwate nguma ni bi
oh
sisi abon address audition so nya papa yi hwe no betu ai oni hwe on fa mayanwi na me so me ka mienu ekomodo buleni abusapan sisi ababia du no nya afi na babaye na me Pentecost me ya da ntia nya hwe odoboni ma wani na wana ma wani nyadin da nsia ya de wakodu nsuru se wana besa anu anya ye nso besa nsuru hye wano nti odobro se otie mi ama wani nyadin na sha jai na me don kwara na dad lumba wanya wu dada nti lumba
very nice baby a wokon mami ntene wo kaka meba odobro ni has shown a seriousness am obi ogu ni hu fi bi o che no So then be no
Kunema na consistency say
it's all say you are bringing emotions and sentiment. Your civil case.
No,
meba tobo. Wachi Kunema court system no enye odobroni na rane. Ena nipa na court no aba court obeda ne fie nti watam ne passport. Ye de ne passport nso ama no mbremu ne ye de ama no. No watam ne passport no watwa ticket no nkwa wakotena baby Germany odobroni den no ye kire me de o.
Matias odobroni so Akosua say so ne be ya onja Calvin no manya hwe Calvin Oma na ninya de no
very nice. I say what the sentiment na I say what the there be wani mbre we emotions and sentiment.
Dabi serious you anya hwe ne de na me ya be kwaso no na me ya penku say
na mami ma one example ye wa hana Joe boy be ka say odobu so de bibia che no nemum de o se enye ne ma no ne omo na omo ye DNA ne de on fa nche ne da currently asem ne wo court into odobu ni kire me de on san ye biem eskelelewu
mate wa se mpache se me ade ampese o ye mama ne se dindi no so we evidence bi o
ye say de no hey lady Mr. Onya be ma
me change topic mamu me change topic no
me bo be change no tie
mamu ma ye change topic no the topic for the day why
na me ba na mpacho 1 minute na mpese me kan say so wo bibi e betumi ama ono so adi nkunum a se shadaka bugura na lumba de padlock
me Mr. One me too kasa
nkunim a wadi awie
very nice me pe won komo no ma menti ase
very nice me wo very nice mama and twice
lady D me ba mama can say very nice very nice
mama rapo apu ye ya mama ni very nice
very nice mama me kasa mu mamu sie me kasa na mo mitimi
mama ni wi Nelson se mama ni wi a wo ba mu a na de ono so kan no wa church so see form no wo bibi o so ono so kan why
asem na make no mo ntimi ase o me nka so do oni then woni nkunimi wadi nkunimi ti ase ba isi ano ase oni otanfo obi ta ro kita se kan mitimi
Mr. Moderator be na mute Mr. Mama because the moment na ma program ni ko na ye nya ne
obi kasa na obuti biti di pakure
olu pakure abi nya juma na
Mr. Abotre kasa
so what you say ni ame kan say me nka so do boni ndi nkuni wadi nkuni na mum sisi aba bia du ase obi ta ro kita se kan no ngina ye untumi ngina enti oma bibia se owo se bibia lumba de man se ebia se ni se e de wo aba me no ba onu so betu de abro ma me no ofa onyin pie na onye free na nja sa sisi na ma chi we na me de we kokko ma me no hwi bibia o bibia ebia esikita lumba de man se ni se onyin bra na obia hu what you say aha sara me pese betre
mate
me nka so ndi nkunum de wadi na mu aka dia me pese oye no nye ma me sara me pa kire
all right me that say Lady D
me da be bisa question bi na me de atom from him enti se enuanom wa na mo bebo me a CEO ensema kokokoko so ya keka bia fa na maame ne court say enka so no kwa na yere amfa marriage certificate went me improve obekina car so eye ohimo
na some certificate or the buy o any no original car so no
o de meba wo kofa Ghana de ekoye ne bana
Ghana de
de betwitwe de Ghana marriage certificate betwitwe form ohimo he ohim okoye now no me pese me busa question say adena all of a sudden obi obesiu ni bia no wo twe marriage certificate as mabe because mother dey wom so as mother akaka say na oni marriage certificate anameboa
o vindicate ne ho
aha ena sisi asobusu apanyi de no eno so marriage certificate bi abimo bi so say the marriage certificate you fake
Now, no, sir, on filing witness statement.
This card, good morning, Debbie, on filing.
So, maybe a question I maybe so. What if, sir, of filing witness statement, na or the marriage certificate, be bar, and also a question I maybe say.
Okay.
Because
Mommy answer answer now. I think say Ben Power Hank be me the but I will try as much to answer you. The thing is say Ghana mra Ghana mra edaho. Evidence Act 161, Evidence Act 136 edaho no. Every judge be or what Ghana be or take court no. I say the basics of they know about it. So what they encounter be free one. So obviously no. No so na lawyer be on be fan be no so no. But the mistake wahano was to sue Ebusua Penny again, and this time say Alice. Because lawyers no omo ntimi ama wo certificate na amfemu ama no omo anu mo sanka munsiu the onu ones na say omo munye yi no mo kofo separate lawyer na omo kototo pass wo court there and the senior will see can omo yetimi show say whatever they will do no of which appeal no meaning say maybe that's why they are slowing the appeal. Actually say other court Belgium certificate now to my then they will withdraw the appeal and make a whole new case again. And also a strategy. And the mistake no makoye o masen Kusi Webusu and of course Baba Jama is coming. Or then in Napam for cardinal law. Okay, cardinal Yodobro Ninkwa. So this time Baba Jama, but who knows the asales and so can rate na obekwa form de o ma be di nachi. So then as be run because no the second time no ma omoma ye reject marriage certificate no. Inti se who see una say yi a we see wo na wasen akofom we see different person but wo san akofom be rura a adwuma hunu na wo san ye no. Ejumahunu inframa na won san ye no.
Ejumahunu obi say it's about to go down.
Legal showdown. Ye bubu om this time. Yes, ye two om say legal showdown. One say Nyankopon or primo akoma or ma wo wrong direction. Senya wechi begu Nyankopon sa no te obi prawa or ma wo primo akoma you become so proud. Now you can't sing be a so when you go to the wrong direction, ni a kind dynasty ni a tune ni a mini key no. Sana Nyankopon or ye na nyama. Enti omo mistake instead some be yeah he said no say according to omo no and Lady D. Let me say this according to omo no. See now almost see nkrofo omo dey rate member nkrofo no not because they want to do something. They are reiterating china ye chiche nkrofo na bia ye chiche omgrebi din the same Queen name aha ye ho ahini ayi no eye I say omo person omo so ye bibi na square 1-on-1 so they don't have any aim a omo de chiche no ya ye bi no omo so ye bi by we did it for a reason but omo de no mo ye just for show. Yes, Lady D, and they also and let me state this. Also, I call viral. Yemubi of which CEO make an be. Ye trendy pass any certificate no. According to a unia waribia, according to the verdict no. Unia waribia, and according to lawyer Kusi numa semne say judge ne say wakoye fake papers no de aba. No judge no nimbibia papa shin so say judge ni say you fake enti omo pese omo hunahuna omo de law no ehunahuna ayen ni ye retract in statement na ye fake no say ni omo court ni nya agi omo tum no omo ma ye retract say e fake this time no the ombekwa bia ka on platform ne so no ebe redeem maame no say ampa ni certificate na enye fake.
See you, but it was a crab. Oh, say, your chick with a battle. Wife,
yeah, meba.
Almost some of crying, they yellow crack. Or don't really cook that look back, a yellow crack. Who said the way I don't almost just sign? Sammy or almost pay.
Yes.
Nobody saw what she or pay would or dear live to say, but you are paying this less. Your best last attack a cancer. Yes, also the obedient cry, the age, little crack. Aha.
Lady D, we okay with the answers, no.
Carry on. Me them be signed to the carry on.
Yeah, me dear it. Yeah, next.
CEO say you win so asem say na o can be say after say we see we busapani ni say Alex no. Like yeah, you discuss we see ni so no we see you jai na ono so ni nkrofo ni so
Oh dear, so kokota dia court be gia to mama on there no na you win nti so no say ne nkrofo nkan na women ka bia is about the law. So as to say judge be gia to man on into unless we judge to my yin be ja akania ye discuss the say judge of which menim say nkosi ba bia e nsen hunu ne nkwase akeka.
Si wo mo ma memre mu bia na obi kan he mi ko bi na man ka bi de yechi abusuafo ensam we no obi ba wase ma me nim ho bi onim ho bi in the eyes of the judge no ono no de wo ba ye no what do you call plaintiff no and obehwe it is a consented to say your consent or secretary and whatever aye bibia ba that is subject to you na in frame. She is very much aware. Now, adia ba kwa mentia say any certificate court about only violence in the panel. Now, power say why you do it is very to naba kuwa there's no marriage more. It's capable and back at the only thing do. Now, because this part, what was sparked, summer like make us because the own time will be determine ideal or God's marriage at home. Certificate. When far a extract of achievement and the certificate original almost or copy of the kind of buy must have for original buying. There was discrepancies. It wasn't tallying, then tally. Because we had the way so and you know the way so. Therefore, no, and we say it is not authentic. Eti maame Akosua Serwaa pese odware ne ho emye nyina ye hu sesabi o. Efi obi agu no, asem obi aka to no so, gide obi anya ne woni mu no, eni a ne nyina ne se wokọ appeal. Wako appeal na appeal ni say appeal court say asem a Kumasi High Court kae no ene appeals court ye twam over 10 years no sisi an maame no or the certificate aba ya jetum enti wo ye dai wo ye lumba wo twam no ne ware no mo ware assign but until that me and Mimi say I don't believe there's new for the fact that say Kumasi High Court I can say so now we are seeing say marriage certificate in any CEO journalist ni ahoko ko ni fi nyina ko ten no me Akosua yi ni photos you have a center table so say mo share me photos a me ni lo mawo ye wo carven ne nkora brem ye wo ho ahwan ye wo asomasi adana ma Akosua Serwaa onko ne track ase anko yi certificate no so ansa amna say journalist who crowd we journalist who ye documentary certificate where the one cast one is who being copy me our brand that Nick put yeah what should not be yeah it is the way I want to appeal.
Anajima online in your crowd.
Oh,
a breaky pa or network no. Stand request be now network in your crowd network no. And ya Nelson. Wait to make a soba now wa mana to us. Nelson. Yeah, kasa Najima ba na wa to us na the network okay. Na Najima send request na network no.
Eyo.
See you me patcho me come from where no afu bi why. That's
patcho you mate me that's it.
Say enyama ekoso ne ene court nsensem nyina no say ye ma me se na bempa eka no minimara
okay Najima
bantu de
you motimenka
aya ton kan see the moon
okay me sorry wife and any data no switch between and yes
okay
enti the American say see you maami Akosua Serwaa se abusuan pani akotena television so say wokoye ni certificate wo Ashtown mumusa se date bay ena abusuan pani kan ye hwe see wo se wo see obi for defamation a ye busa wo se harm bay ena nipa na sem na wo kan ye ahame Sabio say abusuan pani kan asem na hamewa ham bay na wo debre wo because after abusuan pani kan ye wie ye nyina no maami Akosua Serwaa wo de anigye ni wo sebo ebe gina airport gina car so ebo se
emotionally damage no mugu ne ho fi emotionally damage
and emotionally no how did it appear Dr. Ben approve ye ne psychiatric approve ye what is the health document report that say abusuan penny cause harm to her again yengina obegina yisu anawo di ahurusie no from Jerusalem to Jericho ana wo kurabre edi ye wozana ni nyina ye hunu ye owie ye okọ party ekọ gene ni ewo bronze owie ye wasaba Accra ebe ye celebration of life ni nyina na ham bay na abusuan pani kan asem no wo UTV no se ahame no so maami Akosua Serwaa should explain the harm Ashtown the word Ashtown no aham see wo asama ye kan no maami Akosua Serwaa ebe sign ho ama ye nyina ye kasa asesa gise court enye individual enye se Kusi anase will be support maame na beba be
Kusi de finance am to baby o na same wo finance
se maame no certificate amagie adi until se court judicial legal system ebe ka certificate ni a memagie adi no obi ani ho ka che me se certificate ni amagie adi enti maame Akosua Serwaa nti Akosua wo si edin Serwaa ye wodo edin Serwaa ye wodo no odo nya mpapa mu odo nya mansotwe wodo nya watimi wakame na wodo be na maame wo kire wodo we die enwanwa efisa wodo we watna ho amaye guchas kodofo so animu ase Daddy Lumba nyame mfa wo kransie demri fedue se wo dware abamu na se before fianto ata dami fedue unia no na waka asem bi na mpo ka wote ase a Charles enka wonso bebie wano enka woye mumu mpa nka abeje pen ne paper na nka wonso watwere wanu mu asem se me nso manu mu asem nie ene de wasoa lumba asem se dokono e de Kusi adwama so mu obi etobi adai lumba bone be na maami Akosua wode ye wa sebi ni wachi wamaya kana asem saa besi na awrade ye ntwa so adai papa yi wu ye wantimi ensi na yi ase eka wonko anka dadi lumba ko samadeja bone be na lumba de ayewo anya bia wono wo ma miensa empo wo mane be yie na wo musu a ento obi animu no omo papa na ewu etika dad wo gina hobi na wo mai su a o mani su atowanim wo ja wo mai konsa eja wo munyejemu emo mo dane ewusia ni nyanka ewa yie na se edi abone na dadi lumba de ayewo papa panimu te se wo pani kofi wusu watwe na bo so besi ne amen obi begina ka se ebusuya pani by customs and traditions. Even the customary law still recognize ebusuya pani kofi wusu as the ekwana ebusuya pani of Akosua and Insuta. Enti wa wonti ase no kwashepo was said the status quo remain the same. Edi abone na papa yeye bone a papa yeye nyina se ma no mu ye mienu mu nyina mu mesie me de hye mu yaka mu ntibida maami Akosua se wa odo na wo kananu ni sabio enipa ne ti ase no a wo yare no utimi be hwe no for so many years. Did you not know say woni wo ba bi nete? You started a good foundation but you didn't finish. Somebody continued. You had a role to play in the life of that Dilumba. Edientini na sebio that Dilumba netiasia no ekura bia na wasa wotwe no ade no wa metwe. See wo o kontomponi no se madansi ni wa brochire. Why would you contest after obi ni wu? Na wo ho na ade na wo metwe sa akura.
It's because o eni kunu.
Na ejapade ni ache. Ejapadia maami Akosua Serwaa kuhu nyina no siwo ye ejapadia no ne ade ni nyina ma na obenden ye ejapadia nyina obeton no bia party. No, siwo, do you know when we contest for treasure and properties? It is when enipa no it didn't go ye chair no it didn't go your interest. They open when that is when you protest and contest. But this time round, the entire Japadia no, maami Akosua Serwaa
na we bi ama kwaku pon
Ade book maami we ma ye trofa lumba ho. See if you had the opportunity to read the book, you will cry, you will shed tears for that lumba. Say, hey Charles, in some way nyina wo ho. From page 1 to last page, and here na maami Akosua Serwaa tro say she was once married to Mr. Shindler. And into one lumba wa na Mr. Shindler din ato the man so
na mami bisa book no mo kan no mo tro we wom say kwaku pon papa wom
ebinim. This book is all about that lumba. It's all about that lumba. Maami Akosua Serwaa ntro kra say one Shindler bi kra ware pe na maami Akosua Serwaa when did you divorce Shindler and untiama utimi need that lumba ye ordinance? That is a big question I need answer to, because ordinance marriage, you know, it is one at a time. You need to divorce one before you can proceed to one. And to only Papa Shindler ware ye no mujai da bay and ema ho kwan ema woni that lumba kwaye ordinance. Come and answer this question. Bring your divorce certificate for Mr. Shindler.
Na my certificate also the buy manje antum.
What did Mr. Shindler divorce certificate by? What did Mr. Shindler divorce certificate by?
Me request by request.
Asamba na mami amaya ka besi na yeguso ayeka. Papa Shee. Asamba na Papa Shee nkaye. Papa Shee ne gina court down e ka say judge. Kumasi. Oh, very nice. Maybe yes here. Papa Shee ne gina
wa piki obiti. Ba saba mo down haya.
Esa no adumuja no. Papa Shee ne gina Kumasi court ka say za Ghana de sa wo de why you back kra ne about togu. Say Papa Shee di emra nanim atwitwi form, and that wasn't the first time Papa Shee
certificate ne buy or the buy.
Papa Shee disrespected Ghana judicial system because see you tama ye di injunction to celebration of life so no Papa Shee jina court anim ho e de nsasi ne bo ka che ne say judge ne say wo ma ye celebration of idia ono besesa no aye ne the celebration of Akosua Serwaa e na omu nyina call ye no mkoye maami Akosua Serwaa wentimi amfe buo ne ani die ama the judicial system of Ghana it would di Papa Shee echi eko frantoma eko celebration yase menye. It was just a change of name na moye, but you did exactly what you wanted to do. Enti ebuoni ani dia wonfa ma court no me I'm surprised you are still going to them because you don't trust them and you don't respect the judicial system of our nation. But yeniemu bi no ye catch chief justice onfa ne nansi form because these people are disrespecting the laws of the nation. Why? Mama ya kasasa.
Nana Jemai, ma sheda na me interrupt you, but because in common I would deny me there. Don't you think say it's long overdue and kamoke can some nefa judges for no. They should have been some of them now more Ghana and can see a same and a contempt rather.
Naka hubi say a normal ma ya Ghana judicial system sometimes no me lenient. Omo pese omo ma peace ni ayi banti na no mebu no mo buo mani aguso.
That himfie sem na himfie for ye lawyer no mo so emra no mo de ye lenient.
Papa see you ene ye tie lawyer noche wo senka wono a enka maame no ma na ware bia mfa nkofie because ordinance marriage no de ba court and went to improve it nganya afa no okeka che ne say or your wife by customs and ka woman na ware bia mfa nkofie ba wutimi hu say judge no oye oba tanti no odi nani toy say maame we maame ma ne bibi na sabi anya hwe kra wonkosie ni kunu enti the only surviving spouse
na demand na say judge na ndi oye sanso de wa ha yempa o
na nya ntini akasa abesi nei na maame we call court na ya ma na yere bia nke egusu kasa enka yegusu kasa eni nyina ka won akasa abesi
ana
Messi ni nyina ka won akasa abesi sen maame Akosua Serwaa de ordinance marriage court ena ya amfa customary marriage bia ma na amfa nkofia nka yegusu kasa enka yegusu kasa enko no wo ano no aka asem bi enso ye de man no na se wofu ataban ena maame kunu na wo se wo ye the only survivors. Why didn't you attend the funeral? Adan na went mi ankosie no adan na wa mesie no adan Bani be na dadi lumba dia yewa ugu nani mu ase up till now maame Akosua Serwaa journalist ba ufi obebusa wo say adan na woni Mrs Fosu wo si enu de onyankopon ho na wo certificate na ni nyankopon ho wo certificate no so onyankopon ho ana ene ye mom paye ma abofo Elijah ni Elisha free soro Michael
free soro manana Jemai by Papa Shee di kan de ko or the
certificate no mo famra na che ye nyina me ameka sei ene ya me hu certificate no na judge say masesa na me ameka say mano asem sesa. I will change what I'm saying na ma catch us maami wudi bem adai certificate no sabio efri Jericho kura na nka eba nka emeduru ye ya bowa hwe enye opani Kofi Wusu nyansani be ma kukurudufu a wonsinso mu ansa no aham ekon na simprimu asare wono ya asante be ma wonim kunu onim dwane a enkenye wono anaka mo de dade lumba anim ayefom na kamo de ton konkonte ton abetie ton dawadawa na kamo de dade lumba din na ton condoms. It took this man and what didn't I see from no I have to protect the image of me wafase ni nyina chi ade bia nyamofe ama wo no wo de nkofo ne nam court do bia timi ko bio honorable Asiedun Ketia ne kan asem was see any idiot can go to court and the fact that we call court in just obedi bem na wo maame Akosua Serwaa you have experience of losing cases in court and to wukra na wo say hu say udi kan wo court so many times so no wundi bem wodi abusua pani court say ukoji funu no wudi fo wo say do mo court say nko an yere no wo say di fo. So you have experiences of losing your cases in court. So this is not the first time. It should have served you right to say, who the kind of court and I bim. And to those people no mubo sin here, silence and in court for no more evidence. They've done their homework and they are going to face them squarely. Adie bi a omo so kan no, they will also come and prove it in the court. Ama musu hu so omo so asem nie. Na wo di papa panimu animu aye form saa till now. Adai wo busu kunu a wo se se wo kunu no na busua pani ne wo fa wo maame di wo mu gya wo mo. Enti can you even see maame no ayi maame no omo maame no amesa you see her image in opani Kofi Wusu because omo ana odini gya no ni nyina wo disrespect it. Gu papa ye ne mu ase up till now emba obi sori anu o cassette ya papa no efi alumba di wuja eja wo Germany no obi aja free wunsam ejapade a wo pe no hwan na se yemfa maw enu nti wani abere. Whatever you want you will get it. All you deserve, you will get it. So have patience. Only time is the patience. And make a crabby. I had the charge a paddy and do the amount. I then I won't train. Why are you pushing? Why are you so pushing? Say, yan charge a paddy and so change snatching. Are and run na tobano. Then no man free a room, a sense you can run Emma daddy lumbanum. What are you telling us? Odobro ni ne bone ne se wotena yare fon ehwe no mani wuto ne so. What are you saying? And now no I Apostle Joseph wuye omo tena ne nchen hwe no kra no ejapade a greater percentage and what the ma wo mo. Na de wapoto amana fe ne sabi wo chiri so odebom. Do yam hwama de no opepa ne sakwa
kra ma ba bia do bien hotoba ga na ha.
Ade na mo ma ya so nkwa didi. Mami, you bupa, me say me respect. Oh, papa. I respect you a lot and recognize you a lot. Beba, I respect you and recognize you a lot because you had a good foundation. Oh boy, but you don't build what you've created. You don't collapse what you've created. One didn't sabaya the another course in Madrid in egu. Adai, oh macra so your questionable character. Have you answered that question? Have you asked yourself why your children are saying you have a questionable character? What you are doing is not good. What you are doing is not good. And you see you, Papa Shee munyina kekan sansensem webi. And you say Mami Akosua Serwaa and wonkophobia was say will see you or moi. Papa Shee munyina kahu. There are a lot of people who said bad thing. Na mi emi one say ni kunu na wo prese ye ni kunu no. And kofo di ni kunu na tam de won see you or mo. Na jebi asembe na jebi beka wo app so. Did you see jebi? Jebi nsambe na jebi kan fa nkofo ehu. Timiliga wife was so app. Sambe no mun kan fa Daddy Lumba ho. Ma Daddy Lumba nda. Mane nkwada na wiase ayeti no see wo. Obia ni wo be kire bo. Dachi obi abekọ na wuwu achi na be hu asem ye beka fa ho. Sabi oburu manu sisumi na so. Se wonni ho sisi ya do you know obi beka afa ho. Because said the Lumba protected one the same way you protected Lumba. You all had cockroaches in your cupboard. Ain't in your Lumba we na ube yin cockroaches in aba. It won't solve anything. So Lumba tiasa is no ye bonia. Was say it is subject for a man to die, and after death is judgment. Lumba should go and face a judgment. A dear na we no asasisu. A dear na we Lumba DJ. See we moving kasa.
Me da say. Me dear Papa Shee say or the marriage certificate ne call ye or the share judge in nsem. I don't know most your man famba. I am unja sir. Citizen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone. Just a quick one. People are talking about the other side in the main problem is people are talking about fake certificate. Then again, many amount for year when they are saying Judge Dorinda has been lenient to Mama Akosua Serwaa the place in the name now they call court. Now, in the judgment now, Judge Dorinda Debayan, see, I'm going to read one paragraph, and in that paragraph, say a critical analysis of that paragraph. See you, who said that is where fake certificate essay. Baby, as our paragraph say you read this our paragraph now, a hope. Ename yung baby a fake certificate na ehye Mr. Omebabe read the paragraph 94 Mr. Ome read and what kind of tree man one patch
Mr. Kind 91 mame why answer na wako 94
91
yes
okay fine paragraph 91 is these required provisions were not adhered to by the plaintiff. Yeah. At page 18 of the written address by the plaintiff, not only did counsel admit that same was not done, but with the explanation that there is practical hardship
in meeting the statutory
demands of section 1612 of the Evidence Act. And yet, in the answer to the interrogatories, the first question was answered to show that an authentic version of the marriage certificate certified by the Consular Ghana Mission in Germany was attached, which was not the case. This interrogatory was answered by Richard Oparedakun, that is clerk of the plaintiff solicitors, who is not fit to do so since he is not the lawful attorney of the plaintiff. There is on record a lawful attorney, and yet the said Richard Oparedakun went ahead.
Slow down, slow down, nti obabe rem no be kan se me ho na asem kese ni nyina wo nti continue ho ma me na koni slow kakra ma me.
I said there is on record a lawful attorney, and yet the said Richard Oparedakun went ahead and answered on oath the interrogatories of matters
he had no
personal knowledge
of. Next one, tiasie. Continue.
Supplying untruth answers as clearly the attached document is not authentically certified.
Then one kind baby. Or say the first question was answered that an authentic version of the marriage certificate was attached. Kan hon ube hu woni ye one kan hon.
Hon kan me dey hon. Hon e wo baby na me se me ba be kan is there.
There be any 94 e wo 91 wa
91 no there me wona na me kan ma no.
Kind the baby was say the first interrogatories was answered no. Kan hon line so na me hwe because it should be there.
Never.
Because no na obeti asiansa na waba supplying on truth answers no.
So this interrogatory
I don't
was
have
answered.
I don't have it here.
Also, this interrogatory was answered by Richard Oparedakun, who is not fit to do so, since he is not the lawful attorney of the plaintiff. There is on record a lawful attorney, and yet the said Richard Oparedakun went ahead and answered on oath the interrogatories of matters he had no personal knowledge of, supplying untruth answers as clearly the attached document.
No, that
it's not.
Yeah, and yet, because all can be or one son as matters of.
Take it outside.
But this is what I have there, but I don't know, say yeah.
All right.
So let me go to maybe I have deduced that the judge has been lenient, and for that matter, who say whatever the woman said, the judge says no. It's amount to they submitting a fake document. Now this is article paragraph 94. It says, besides the lack of certification or authentication, counsel, that is her lawyer Kusi, counsel was to bring the original certificate for the court to cite and compare, since the court was informed that there was an original certificate. Since the court was informed that there was an original certificate, more catch the court when they say more original marriage certificate. However, what was brought to the court was an extract from a family book or diary, which counsel for the plaintiff admitted to in open court. Now listen here. The document therefore could not be the original and its copy being exhibit B. Therefore, the extract cannot be proof of a civil marriage between the plaintiff and the late Daddy Lumba. The extract is significantly different from the document perpetually tendered in evidence as the marriage certificate. This is where I have a problem. I mean, who say I have said and I was in court, no. A bomb must say when you go charge you or for perjury because one, who they can't catch the court and say, oh, marriage certificate, original marriage certificate, no more. Then, some more there, I was a passing through the Evidence Act. I was a German embassy for not satisfy. German authority for not satisfy. Now they are called Ghana embassy in Germany. No one so satisfy. And son about the drew court. Now, man, yes, I don't know. More the different documents and a buyer. Now, some different documents. Now, the buyer and you were Nicodemously trying to tell the judge and say marriage certificate na momoka asemo wono and no sa certificate na family book na mo de abano. And na judge ne ka say okay. Say mo de different one kwana ba. Mo fa original certificate na mo se mo won na and go through the process ni mu say ebeko German penifo no mo certify na ko Ghana embassy ansa na bedru ano. Say mo se mo wo because ana mo ka kire court no se mo wo dia ene mo de mo famra na me mfa mani enhwe eno so a mount mi anya den amfa ama. So first of all, mudi kan twantro e kire court no se mo wo sa marriage original marriage certificate. Mount mi am provide sa original marriage certificate in our court. Mo the family book and be representing the said marriage certificate na mo kase mo wono. Until first of all, for me, mo twantro e de akire court no. Because okaya or say beside the lack of authenticity, counsel was to bring the original certificate for the court to cite and compare, since the court was informed that there was an original certificate. Because mo bo court na man say mo original certificate. Mo original certificate amount me amfa original certificate na ama mo the family book na eba adwen be na ba mutrima mo kan say mo original marriage certificate ba ma amfa ama na mo the family book na ba ye. Family book na mo de ba ye na mo ntimi ansa amfa process nim. Na judge ne say ene mudi kan ka say mo original marriage certificate o entin kamon famra na mi fam animpo enhwe mi fam ani keke enhwe eno so amount mi amfa ama ene maten ne mo ho around baba be catch re say mo marriage certificate mo makoji original marriage certificate enti first one na mudi kan catch re judge ne say mo wo no na what type of marriage certificate and anamowo ene muso masa akwaje foforo no mode call for appeal or mode chichi amanfo akogum anase mose amanfo emra emeyi omanho ano wo court no is it different from the first one na mode call judge Dorinda de no ana? If it is different, then you people should embrace yourself for a long battle. For a very long battle, and it will end in disgrace. It will definitely end in disgrace. This issue, what paragraph 94, a honor. Some will catch the court and say more original marriage certificate. More replace the original marriage certificate in our family book. Court will catch them say more for marriage certificate. Original one na mudi can say more one mra na me for menisha ma farmer. And then matene around and say makwa marriage certificate fufro and on amode kwa yema appeal and on amode jina so chichi amanfo. You people should be very careful.
Na me ni always happy on betman ko. Me na omo cancer kwa omo o man omo be pesca aje omo ko.
So this is yes you. So this is what I want to just put across.
So page na me pese wo kan no. Ma membo lawyer Kusi voice bi wa hasi na miwia makan sa baby na make us a kind mammy no.
Sure.
Tell me about lawyer Kusi voice be waha. Now me their support to
And or say the most scandalous of his statement is a young on in the Akosua Yakoye papers being a certificate, which was impugning on our integrity as lawyers.
Yakoye papers be any idea base a certificate. So let me read the ana me person ka kind mammy na enye you know. So page 91 no, or say this required provision were not adhered to by the plaintiff. At page 18 of the written address by the plaintiff, not only the counsel admits that same was not done, but with explanation that there are practical hardship in meeting the statutory demand of the section 161 subsection 2 of the Evidence Act. And yet, in answers to the interrogatories, the first question was answered to show that say no na mpesa o kan ma me no yedi ni ko gina adaka mu no an authentic version of the marriage certificate certified by the consular Ghana mission in Germany was attached. Obi bia wa wako school ye catch us say if a document is attached that means all the account
yeah.
Yes, was attached, which was not the case. This interrogatories was answered by Richard Opareda, who is not fit to do or a clerk, who is not fit to do so since he is not the lawful attorney to the plaintiff. There is on record a lawful attorney, and yet the said Richard Opareda went ahead to answer on oath the interrogatories of matters he had no personal knowledge of, supplying untruth answers, as clearly the attached document is not authentically certified document. It's rather unfortunate, and the law clerk should desist from such habit. All kinds are second paragraph. We any lawyer could see voice here, me boy, me pacho here. So the procedural
fake.
So the procedural winner course or court no enye nyama na esi wo court ni nyina enye nyama esi wo court ni nyina ena ye den omde ba verdict. The verdict is the judgment judge nankasa ne final ruling a ohwa asem no the but procedure na asem na ekoso no enye ni nyina ne bae. So in the procedural course no, it was said the amodia bani fake between the lawyers no.
Exactly.
They told them say a fake, but it was not recorded in the judgment. In the judgment no, the judge used it is not authentic.
And the authentic, that means it's fake.
And Papa Shee so sign kokan say, Mami say me hu Papa Shee voice na muntie mami. Papa Shee sign kokan say judge ni say fake. Mami say me hu. Oh, monso yeah de na mu de we ba be. Oh, come on. Yes, muntie we mami.
Sister me tukai kakra. Germany country so be driver's licenses keke. And I say be now social. Social. And easy because one is what to become kasa. You go for because thank you. Because but that didn't bother we go down. We're a citizen of Germany. One naturalize it. What the Ghana passport number Ghana for. When you Ghana you through Madam Akosua Serwaa for
Kwasi ake kan say ya.
And I can say the documents you know fake you know court one. This is Ghana.
Mami ne ka say fake court one. That means Papa Shee so confirm their lawyer Kusi kan ye no mesremu say yen trendy hani ye. Muma yen trendy hani ye. Lawyer Kusi aka say judge ne say okotena say akofa papers bi aba say marriage certificate. Papa Shee so say ena judge ne kan wo court wo say fake no. Inti on say but I don't know say they me explain Matia say na in the procedural course no it was said document na mo dey abana fake but it was not recorded in the judgment. I had a confusion crofo no. because ye di asema enye di si wo court nyina I mean overall ni nyina say mo kan nyina na ba judgment im there bi judge ni ba no the verdict na ba de ohun asem ni nje bibia, but everything is not recorded in the verdict. Behind the scene, no, they told them say fake. They were told they say a fake document because utie Papa Shee and Mama Sam for honey beam.
One naturalize it. When the Ghana passport, now Ghana for. When you Ghana need you, through Madam Akosua Serwaa Fusu. Yeah, my men cast any documents, you know, and you fake, you know.
My men cast any documents in a fake. Ewo court, you know. Enti Papa by lawyer can say lawyer Kusi no so. Munti lawyer Kusi no so. Or kase make me post crowd. Them crown and my network hear me. Yeah, see adia me am post this for me. Okay, waha. Namunti lawyer Kusi no so.
Or say the most scandalous of his statement is saying on him the Akosua yakoye papers be near their base certificate which was impugning on our integrity.
Bam. Ala teni beka se bam. Ala teni beka se bam. Bon. Inti Akosua court say certificate ni fake.
And another man who fake.
Akosua court. Yes, Miss
Boateng. Papa Shee said that the Lumba citizen was Germany with Akosua Serwaa. I didn't know case. No one from Germany. No one from Continue. Or not take the Ghana force. I don't know what no. We can accept one shot. Because that the Lumba the Ghana for a passport amawum. Or a citizen was German. I don't know for case you from German. I don't know who come.
And why so we are cocaine and come back boom another platform too.
I accept.
This one from yes, we try our hand to do.
I don't know what say on the plan with my body. What was Bama one shaba? Bama one shaba, I didn't make
a feedback.
Papa said, I'm the voice economy growth because you mean power Jimmy for Papa. Why don't I grab it? That's a question woman in a year. Jimmy for Gamma.
Black man. Yeah, black man airport. Mama black man Korea no abem.
See what me does. Na Papa Shee udi nipa wa fase wa evangelist. Na sabe ye Papa kufi so busua panyina sabe onimu nyansa. Ehu hia so ne Papa Shee kwase we be kwakotena radio station bi so kra aye anobabaye. Akosua akaso di nyame be kokot nyame ne nabofo ni Yesu no nyina nanka wo wi adwuma obaye na asase wi so.
Oh, there be se brempoman so ko so mfa brempoman ko brempoman so oto kwadro nyama fa random. Ti obi si brempo.
Omo pese one ne nkrofo omo pese omo tete ye Papa kufu susa na sebe.
Why you never bet no mu Jimmy sa no? Why you no mu Jimmy sa?
Omo be ka se lumba sama ena ekuno. Ba lumba sama so ni izenya kopon eta na chi pa. Eti Akosua one ne nkrofo me de si o makwefa tibi ansa na meba wo ha. Lady bia okọ yenua baba ko odogbu ni nua so a no okokondem wo mene na kokopa. Omo kwasese mo mudi ni se omo benya buwuro mo wia na omo baba ki kansi kula wo makoma so e de kire yen. Mebe kwa me mo lafu kula mi nyina se mi tie kula na mate se di
onim black man me start my life no me kire say you say no positive energy so obi say onko biemu a bas ne onsi form na yenko yenim ensisi you waste your time wo sa hoden na wo be fighting negativity no fa sa hoden no be kan yen positive na ye kono na nye high what I say my mom yes
eti ready esiwo ye abusua panyini yesre no ba bi adu no omma kusese wo hu se Sabi Ghana nye ne dia. Ontimi nye ne hwee so ewo Ghana ha. Wa mani timu aye ne denti se me pasumdue nti no. Etina wone ne nkrofo ya wo madwene nya adwuma no. Wo mu disansi hunu no. Etino baby adru no. Ye papa ye sere no.
Ofani nansi ho.
Mfani nansi fo no keka ne ho. Wo mu nyo bia. Wo mu timi nye hute Ghana nye omodia. Ghana enye kushese wane ne timi gawa fo emmoa nje agimifo ni enye omodia.
Enkurasefo.
Obi ensoro wo mo. Etisi wo de na me fama no sina ene no the way na enkofo yi ye no mo.
I say because some time power is enough. Yeah, enough is enough. Are you okay?
See you.
Yeah, Nana Brown Ubebemo, Mamima, D Bar Chena, or making submission. Yeah, be.
See you. Me the entire Mamma Serwaa, or he was one summer bush a penny in. No, so a fake net that Unamano, or one call from Bebrahunachi. Tomo Jai. Until I knew some, what was it? They said one that didn't. Oh, yeah, Bibi. Now someone say, be antisa. I someone. The tintin and Mugasia, canon. And Washa de Bibi Keke. What I say? It was yet Obian was a fake. Now say a new answer more than we had it or more. Baby Pauno, the Pebre free in chain, Pebre Kurena, a woman. I don't know a Mugasia mom, no San can be, then finding Tyson Kovoike. As on the tintin. And yes, I will sue. Sabi appeal back up. That bank, the beer, oh ma, as you appeal, that's not Yakoda. Oh ma, as you appeal, that's not Wakoda. And the bank, happy baby. I'm on quite pick. The baby,
I'm more fun quite. Yes, Sumundia.
Come here, appeal, that's not Yakoda. What was a man appearance of Mazanko Tekoda? Oh, ma, there's a pillow, Pompo, Niaba, Yabaya, oh, man, was a Tekoda. Oh, ma, Papa, a pibibo, Ade, a pibak by Along. Monqua Pinicake.
See, ya bro, enough is enough. Yes, because enough.
Members of Mobuka, my middle and Packers, when in the park with us.
When my didn't
he says, the Germany, Abri was a day, royally Bonipa, over Papa. Why what that do by that? And your brochena, some
Daddy Lumba Wijano, no, about US or so much, Jimmy for mammy.
I know Brochena, Sabi, about to me a deposit.
Oh, there, mammy, no, be me back, be with the meba. Mammy, no, ocean and you would deem bear 5 seconds. Mammy, none in who I
oh, boy,
I don't know your glasses, Anna. I don't know your glasses.
Oh, the training would be 5 seconds.
Abroche Comutra, and I do come and I look back of I.
Okay, oh, there, Mama, find the picture and tour. Oh, be, oh, Yendi, yes,
Mamma, maybe me boof one of them, I mean, could
no, mammy, no, affair. Oh, Mamma, me picture. Yes, sir.
See you. ɛne ne hu
My main requesting him be why wada Roma and can phone him be almost say title no ya.
Monhwɛ gyina wo ɛwe ne ho nyɛ fɛ picture we ne ho nyɛ fɛ
AI twia kai
See what Mr. Omar say no ne ma me why
AI masa
What want you be? Wulombe, almost say Akosua Serwaa. What the Ubo YouTuber? We see Akosua Serwaa by Wulome. Why in Pacho? But the kakrama na heat in
Akosua Serwaa adia waya wa maga kwa kam.
Mali ni sa numu enso ya ode pa.
No. Meka be resist
Me say the moma Nana Brown say o kan bibi ketua bi na wasi form em say o kwa adwumanti.
I we afa no ma yesra wa ne fa refresh yo.
No me dey fa refresh yo.
Nana Brown oh.
Me pa to picture na ucha na airport fa beto so. Na he
no, na campo e china ai so o show bi no chini ko mo na.
Antawi. We enyo no
ma. Any current when you waiting for.
That the look that theatre na ne ho ade obetimi no akwade nti wa ma na ne na ma meku. Akoso so e chimi ko
Nana azigi ya wu azigi ko azigi ko die ne se me yegere azigi da na wo bebi azigi na
ye wetu ba akuse
me so mo me ye no 1 why mommy yen 1-1 na meba nana meba o manana okay
see you me kakra me won say this is the time I was say busuapani any omo maka ni na obi apeja no ho because maame no ya gigi ne so almost a year ni and anytime bia no so who say bibi beba no mo de bibi abebom well they say a strategy ya omo akofo ni nyina de aba foforo ya omo so omo de busuapani kokot omo de bralex kokot ne na sefro strategy on person omo de distract the project e hono no and this is the time I say aware ni obi entamu odobo ni aware ni onne ni mantem and ono maame no so aware ni onne ni mantem ti se ano sebu ejapade na ebe cha na se bi na ebe che so mo ye no pempen su pempen omo mama minute no what because they say the oil no I just say ompe omo nkoso anytime bia omo pese omo preventing ni dinu eye ni dinu ye na ya den o de bibi aba ejime me kakra me won say this is the time I was say busuapani no any omo twan ho ahia ne ye hu de owo because I was so busuapani prove because papa Shee wa jimi ache so say na de nti and as say de ekoso kata obi na omo form a omo be presenting sa letter way because on person omo distracted bibi enti si o media me won say mo a mo ni abusua omo ti omo nkan say no this is the time busuapani also de na say because asori penny na doso
Nana Brown na woni mabusuapani kofi wuso ana hwe wonu ye say easy ye pese